Facultative Technologies, the global technology leader, is your partner in the design and development of state-of-the-art cremation equipment. Our mission is to utilize the latest technologies to drive the design of our cremation equipment, providing a safe and healthy environment for your most important resource, your employees. The lowest consumption of fossil fuels, and systems that meet environmental requirements throughout North America, not only today, but for the future. Total control of the cremation process is simple thanks to our computer-controlled 15-inch touchscreen. The operator only needs to verify the combined weight of the container and the deceased and press one button. The computer utilizes onboard data to correctly complete the cremation process. Normal cremation times average 73 minutes. The control system provides technical information, diagnostic support, and operation support 24/7 from our customer care department via the internet at no charge. Our newest development is in the automated loading of cremation containers, utilizing negative airflow, containing the heat inside the cremator where it belongs during the charging process, keeping your employees safe from being subjected to high temperatures and possible injury. The charging door is chain-driven using variable speed electric motors rather than hydraulics, meaning there is no requirement for manual door stops, again keeping the operator away from the front door. In addition, our design ensures that there is no need for repositioning any time during the cremation process. The cremator does all the work, not your operator. Another development is the exclusive FT air curtain, which is used when wooden caskets or containers are charged to ensure the combustion happens only inside the cremator during the loading process. When it comes to energy savings, Facultative Technologies' fuel consumption is lower than any other manufacturer in the industry. Average fuel usage for a cremation is 1,720 cubic feet of gas. An additional new feature on all Facultative Technologies FT2 and FT3 cremators is a specially designed refractory flat hearth roof that further decreases fuel consumption. With a Facultative Technologies cremator, there is no cool-down required between cremations, which means cremation production of up to 6 cases in a standard 8.5-hour workday. So what do we do about the environment, and what does the future hold? Local and state EPA authorities are looking closer at crematories as the cremation rate continues to rise. We see the regulations getting more restrictive throughout North America. Many air quality districts are adding toxic screening, which involves the measurements of toxins such as arsenic, chromium, and chlorinated dibenzodioxins and furans. Facultative Technologies carefully controls the cremation combustion process with a combination of finite computer controls and a minimum 2-second secondary chamber that reduces emissions to acceptable standards throughout North America. However, when and not if guidelines change, we are ahead of the curve, having already developed and installed over 400 filtration systems in the European community which meet the strictest of standards. In 2014, we installed our first 2 filtration systems in North America for the Mount Pleasant Group in Toronto, Canada, and the results for emissions testing far exceeded expectations. In fact, many of the emissions results were so low they were undetectable. The actual results for the testing show particulates, mercury, carbon monoxide, and arsenic were better than the current safe health standard. So how do emissions compare with everyday emitters? 1,000 cremations equal these everyday occurrences. Therefore, by utilizing Facultative Technologies filtration, the "not in my backyard" syndrome goes away. Every FT2 or FT3 cremator built by Facultative Technologies is filtration ready in the event that regulations become stricter. For the most advanced technological cremation equipment available, providing employee safety, reduced fuel and operational costs, and meeting environmental standards throughout the world, the answer is Facultative Technologies. Just ask our customers.
The machine itself is very impressive. To use their machine and the dustless transfer case, it's, as far as I'm concerned, that's amazing.
And one of the most interesting things is the ability to use your mobile technology, whether it's an iPhone or a tablet. You can actually start the equipment, and watch the equipment operate from a mobile device.